Oh no, he's got a walking stick as well. Come on, go, Kieran. How the hell people don't get run over more often in this city, I don't know. Or in this country, I don't know. Just a bit crazy. Look at all this mass crowd. So today I want to see some trains. We're going to go to CST Terminal, the main train station in Mumbai. Historic, I think it's a UNESCO building, World Heritage building, whatever. I think it's that over there, and then there's some other colonial buildings around. Straight ahead. It's ahead of a fancy train station, isn't there? Central Railway. So this is a train station terminal in Mumbai. Okay, I'll take number one there.
Stay there, take a picture from
Huh? From there?
Stay there, take a picture from
Come on. Go! Turn him around then.
Just take your bit from his back.
Alright then. Roll!
Roll cheese!
He's happy. Roll. Very, very good. Fun time at the train station. Watching all the trains come and go. It's extremely busy. We were thinking of getting a ticket to that one stop and back, but I think it might be a bit crazy if we get on the train and get off and have a sort of relax and watch, so probably skip that idea for now. Now we're inside Crawford Market. I think we're in the front of the...
Chor Bazaar.
It's Crawford Market.
Oh, I thought we were going to Chor Bazaar.
No, Chor Bazaar is miles away. So, Crawford Market has a bit of everything. I think it's more of a wholesale place, but I think you can get the odd retail-y bit. We're in the food section, so we'll just have a browse around and just see. No, we knew we were going to Crawford Market. Chor Bazaar's miles away. When we go there, we'll go there then. Take taxi there.
Definitely.
When you go there now then?
Yeah.
Alright, change of plan then. Not going to stay in Crawford Market, we're going to go Chor Bazaar. A lot of garlic. Tons of garlic.
Famous stink of garlic forever.
Kieran, just go forward. Go. You make it worse by just standing there, Kieran.
I'll follow you then.
So we're in Chor Bazaar. There's the not sure exactly where. We got dropped by a taxi, and it's slightly crazy end of Chor Bazaar. I think it's more crazy, but anyway. Let's just browse and see what we can find. And goats. Lots of machine parts here. Lots of clothing. More machine parts. Some of dismantling the whole. God knows what they've dismantled.
building with people's washing hanging.
Right. Someone was just dismantling an entire refrigerator over here. I guess they'll use all the parts somewhere else. Someone will definitely use it somewhere. There's one good thing about Indian people, are very resourceful. Like nothing goes to waste. Everything can just be kind of demolished, taken apart, and then just recycled again. Whether it's the whole part or just the individual sort of components.
नहीं होएगा जगह डिजाइन ना निकल जा
This is a local fan shop. If you want to buy fans, you come here for top quality fans. Oh yeah, up there. Walk down this side.
This way.
Because it's just like every little section has its own little speciality. This is like light bulbs for vehicles, speciality area, and horn speciality area, and speaker speciality area. There's every little road Kevin got its own little area where it's just specialised in. So that top bit was all that food stuff. That was demolishing things down there. This is kind of like electronic parts and stuff. Artistic furniture. And this one sells all manner of old phones and stuff. Look at these murtis here, Kieran. Kieran, look at this one.
Yeah, come on.
Have a look. Good old rocking horse. It is. Lovely Ganesh Murtis. Yeah, it's a horse. We need a bigger house. We need a much bigger house, Kieran, to afford a lot of this stuff and have the space for it as well. Very careful now. You've got an old seat out there, look at that.
It's all big things down there.
Yeah.
Oh, massive antique style.
Yeah, I know, right?
So what do you have you already ordered?
I was thinking, should I get this for my dad?
What?
And I'll lie to him and I'll tell him I bought it from Rajasthan. It's a Rajasthani man.
No, just something to learn. This is all the metal work rage. Coins.
Get him an ornament. An Indian ornament.
Nutcracker plate.
No, not a god.
That is.
Okay. Next time, okay?
You're probably thinking, what the fuck? Never had anyone
Haggle the price up.
Up the price up, yes. All manner of watches here, lovely.
It's a bicycle, yeah.
How lovely they are.
He likes them, that's why I've stopped.
He likes everything, Karen. Come on, Karen, walking. So Karen agreed a price with the vendor. For, huh? How much? How much? So Kieran successfully haggles the price of an item up rather than down. So initially, I think they agreed on 700 600 on some, no, 700 price, 700 rupee price on some mats, dinner mats. The guy said, "Oh, just give me 500." And Kira said, "No, here's 600." Obviously he was quite happy. Yes? And Ra's very happy as well now. People of antiques. It's all statues and multis, but they're all...
There's a bull that I saw.
Huh? No, okay, sorry.